Well, it's still pretty noisy out there. The solar A index is an 18 this morning. It's been up, way up, and we want it to be down less than 5. So you get all this background noise. My setup right now is my little portable loop antenna from GOOZEEZOO. It's the GA800. It's up near a window. I'm on the second floor, but I am in my office. So that's some of the ambient noise. I would like to get a way to measure the ambient noise, portable, so that I can walk around in my rooms or different rooms or downstairs or outside and see how much the equipment is causing some of this noise. I'm pretty sure most of this is ambient noise from the sun. So as you can see, we're struggling. There's WWV. The signal is just most of the time, not all the time, above the noise level here. Here's the noise level at about a minus 100, and my signal is about minus 90, which is way too high. We are getting a couple good signals over here. We'll do a scan here briefly and see how things are doing. I found that for my case, that little loop antenna is not directional. I can put it in almost any direction. You can see a slight difference by changing the direction, but not much. So let's let it scan here for a few minutes. And when it finds a station, a strong station, it'll unmute. There's a preacher man, probably out of Tennessee. Yep, there we go. Brother Stare. This is coming from the database. Which is not always correct from the standpoint there's a lot of stations on the same frequency. And this is just showing one of the stations on a given frequency. Well, that sounds terrible. In and out. It is 4 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. But you can see all this noise. Now, the one thing... He's got it all done. He's burned up the liar. There's another preacher man out of Tennessee, probably. Building a beautiful... That's just really noise. How bright that noise is. Now, I did notice when I used the other setup I have down in the office, which is a loop antenna outside with a tuner, which has noise reduction. That tuner does do good noise reduction. And I'll be showing you that setup in an upcoming video. Right now, that's my best setup. Outside antenna, tuner with noise reduction. I did get my vertical antenna. I got that many years ago, and the hurricane last year damaged it, so I had to repair it. So I got it up again and working, I think. So we can try that. Try that versus the loop antennas. Okay, this is getting boring quick. Boy, that's a big burst of noise. I wonder where that's from. I wonder if that's something in my room. Okay, move on. Oh, it has wide pile of noise. I don't know. I think I have the delay set on the scan for 5 seconds. Maybe I got it set at 10 seconds. But you can see I had to put the squelch up pretty high. It's, let me see if I can read it. Minus 84 dB. More noise. You can see WWV out here. It might stop on that depending on what the level is when it goes over there. There it goes. You're going to catch it? No, it did. But as you can see from the display here, let me stop it. Pause. And we'll turn the squelch down. Very weak. But it is there. And occasionally it does come in. And that's the other thing about shortwave. Conditions change rapidly. I mean, maybe in 10 minutes from now, the noise level might go down and WWV at 10 megahertz might be strong and working fine. It's just one of those things you just have to deal with. Okay, let's turn this back on. Yep, that's too far. And we'll resume. And we'll let it scan a little more and then we'll stop. You can see there's not many signals above that noise threshold. And the thing is, I really can't compare. Well, yes, I can. What I should do. Okay, this is what I should do for you guys. Let me pause this and we'll mute. Okay, what I should do for you guys is I take this little portable loop antenna down to my radio room, hook it up. I've got a switch set up now so I can switch between antennas and have it be one of the antennas I can select, and then switch between it, the outside loop antenna, which has an amplifier, excuse me, and my vertical 31-foot vertical antenna, which has no amplifier, and just show you the results, especially related to noise. I'll do that. I'll try to do that. Maybe the next show or one after that. It's like I say, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, so I still have time to catch the morning skip, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.